Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Now I don't know if you remember this mould. This mould was from Temu and it's a little bunny carrying a bucket, and I thought somebody actually asked me to do this, so I'm going to be doing this with epoxy resin today. I'm going to be using Let's Resin epoxy resin, 1:1 ratio, mixing ratio, and I think we will be using the little flowers that I also got in the same Temu haul, because they won't make a large project, will they? But I thought we'd put some of those in clear resin with a bit of glitter and then see what the bucket's like, because I don't know how we're going to get that out. Well, I don't know, possibly. We'll see, shall we? I'll get some resin mixed up and I'll be right back with you. I've mixed that for about 4.5 minutes. I was watching something while I mix it, and I just go by the timer on Netflix how long I've been watching for. Right, I've decided I'm going to try and paint the bucket in mica powder. So I've got a really pretty pink. These are nail powders I got from Amazon, and I thought that would look nice with the flowers. So I'm going to give it a go. We'll see. It's a very, very tight little area, but we'll give it a go. I'll try and get my smallest brush, which is not very small, but hey ho. Let's have a look at this. Oh wow, that's very vibrant, isn't it? I don't think I've ever used this one. Right, let's see if we can get in there. We will paint the inside first. Oh, I'm gonna have to a major clean up here, aren't I? He's also got a little hand in there. Don't want it to go in there. I've cleaned it up, as you can see. I've got it everywhere. Like I do. This is just a cleaning wipe, so I'm gonna have to wait till the mould is dry before I put anything in, because we don't want any water with resin, do we? Right, I'll let that to dry, and while it's drying, it's on an heat mat at the moment. The heat mat is on, so it shouldn't take long. I'm going to pop a bit of glitter in here, a few air bubbles. I'm not actually worried about the air bubbles today, for the simple reason I'm going to be putting glitter in. I think it'll look quite cute. We need a stick. And I'm just going to pop a bit of Angel Whispers by Hunky Dory in. Not too much, don't want to overpower it. Right, let's give that a stir. And I'm tempted to put the flowers in the resin first and then pour it. I can't imagine that they will sink. They might float even. I don't know whether to pop a bit of glue in. We'll go for it, shall we? I'm going to pop them all in. They are very sweet little flowers. We've dropped one. And I'll gently mix them in. I don't want to be squashing any of those flowers. We'll see how we go. We might have to put some glue in. Lovely, lovely colours. They are beautiful. I just wish I had a bit more. I honestly thought they were going to be quite a large packet, and I thought the flowers would be bigger. Yeah, that'll teach me not to read the description properly. Right, let's have a look at the resin. They look to me like they're floating. We'll see how we go, shall we? Let's pop them in. Well, it didn't take so much, did it? 40 mils it took. Oh, good grief. Now, I've tried squidging that, but obviously the mica powder's on. I don't want to be squidging too hard. I'm just hoping the resin has gone down. It looks to me like the flowers are floating. I'm kind of wishing I'd put some glue in it now. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm just trying out the mould, really. Yeah, that didn't take much. Let me try and find another mould to put that in. Right, I found a coaster mould. A square one. And I'm going to paint around the sides with the same mica powder. Let's hope it sticks to this one a little better than it stuck to the rabbit. I'm only going to be putting it around the edge. That really is a beautiful colour. I'm not a great pink lover, but I do like it in my crafts. There we go. Make sure we get everywhere. Right, clean up again. And then we can pour the resin. Like I say, it's on a heat mat. And once I've done this, I will spray it with isopropyl alcohol. Actually, it's kind of nice with it around the edge. I've got it everywhere now. My desk is pink. I took some off with this wipe where I shouldn't have done. So I'm just going to leave it to come around the edges. Right, let's pour it in. I'll give that a good mix, make sure there's some flowers. Well, that was just enough. 60 mils that takes. And the flowers have all separated. Hopefully as the resin pulls in, it will pull the flowers in as well. See if we can move them around a bit. Lovely. Quick spritz. They're on a heat mat. I'll leave them to cure. See you in a bit. There we go. I did it. Oh my goodness, that is super cute. Oh my goodness. I wonder what we can find. I think I've got some flowers I can put in there. That is super cute. Need to do something about his nose and his mouth. Has he got any eyes? No. Oh, I want to try it with aquacast now and see if I can get it out with aquacast. I think we will do. I think that's what we'll do. I'll get some aquacast mixed up and... Oh my goodness, that's cute. I wonder if I could stick it on there. That's actually kind of nice. Yeah, and I've got one of these little things. What does everybody think? Can't really. By the time, yeah, I'll ask you about that. Do you think I should stick it on there and have it like a decoration like that with some flowers in? Or do you think I should leave them separate, sticking? Let me know in the comments. And I'll leave it like that for now. Right, I'm going to get some aquacast mixed up. I'm going to have to try it on. I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, I just mixed up 100 grams of powder. 35 grams of water. And this is a Resin pigment. I got it in a kit, a Resin kit. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit of red in. Just want it ever so slightly pink. So I don't want too much. That should be enough. Possibly that is too much. We'll see. Oh no. Don't actually think that's enough. Doesn't look pink. Can you see any pink? Put that right in your face, didn't I? I do apologise. One, I'll try just a tiny bit more. Oh, it's more of an air bubble. Now that's possibly too much. No, that's all right. Make it a very soft pink. I just want to see, I couldn't resist, I just want to see if that's going to come out. Let's pour it in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and squish that little thing there. Open it up a bit, see if we can get it in. Resin's pretty good at finding its own way. I worry about the aquacast. There we go. I hope I can get this one out. There we go. I'm going to pop it on the vibration plate for a couple of minutes. Make sure we get into there. And then I'll see you when it's demolded. Let's try and get this out. The bunny should come out very nicely, I would say. It's just the bucket I'm slightly concerned about. I left it overnight. Ooh, there's a bunny. Looks very sweet. That little piece there. That's going to be a problem. See if we can get that little piece out. Oh, I think I broke something. Yeah, I broke the bucket. Oh, that's a shame. It's very, very thin around that bucket. Yeah, look, it's just crumbled. Oh, what a shame. Well, it doesn't matter. I can use it with epoxy, can't I? Came out lovely in epoxy. That is a shame. And I left it overnight. Oh, I'll tell you what, we can hide that, can't we? We can stick some flowers around it. But it looks white. It certainly doesn't look pink. I perhaps should have put a bit more in. Hey, never mind. Never mind. We tried, didn't we? We do have this one, and this is very cute. Now I do have some flowers. Where have I put them? These flowers I got from the range. As you can see, they were only cheap, 79p. I mean, you can't grumble at that, can you? And all I'm going to do is put a few in its basket. I did take 2 out. Obviously, I think they need to be glued in. Or they're not going to stay, are they? Some smaller flowers would be nice, but that's so sweet. Right, well, let me know in the comments whether I should stick it to the coaster. It does stand up on it. There we go. I'll stick them in for the photos. Yeah, let me know. It does look kind of sweet like that. And then we can put it on a stand. I've got my iPad on it at the moment, so I can't use it. I'll take some photos. I'll try and get some photos of it on that without being stuck, and I'll stick the flowers in. Thank you ever so much for watching, everyone. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again next time. Bye everyone.